Today I'm going to use these Heath toffee bits and caramel sauce to make a 1980s vintage better than anything cake. Are you ready? Let's go. You need a chocolate cake mix and prepare it as it says on the box. And then I'm going to bake it in a prepared pan. And I have sprayed mine with Pam baking spray. So I'm putting my 4 eggs in here. You know, back in the day when I would make cakes, I would prepare them like they were on the box, but I would also add a box. Now I'm talking back in the 80s. I would also add a box of instant pudding, and it just made it really, really moist. I'm not doing that today. Need 1 cup of whole milk and ½ a cup of vegetable oil. And I'll get out my hand mixer and mix that all up. Like that. Pour it into the pan. Bake for 26 to 31 minutes at 350. All right, just took it out of the oven. Remove from the oven and immediately poke holes in the cake with a wooden spoon. Well, I don't have a wooden spoon. Well, I do, but it's got this hole in the bottom. So I'll just do the best I can. It's supposed to poke holes, poke holes, poke holes. Pour the sweetened condensed milk into holes until milk is absorbed. This is going to take a little bit. Wow, it's hard to get that all down into those holes. Repeat with the caramel ice cream topping. Now try to squirt this down into those holes. Oh yeah, that's better. And after I get these holes all filled up, place in the refrigerator and let cool completely. Okay. Better than anything cake. Now, when I, in the 80s, when I cooked at that children's center in Kentucky, they had a recipe like this. It was kind of like this, but they called it by a different name. But this one's called, I have it right here, Better Than Anything Cake. I think it's the same premise. It's a poke cake, and you put all this down inside. Wow, these holes are deep apparently. Now, all these cakes and things that I make, I always leave out some for Dad and Aunt Norma. I taste it for the camera, and then I send the rest to work, to my husband's work, so his co-workers can eat it, because we can't have this in our house. It's just too enticing, and we don't want to have it around, since I try to eat low carb and John's diabetic. Okay, now all I have to do is let it cool. I used almost this whole thing. In the refrigerator it goes. Ow, it's hot. I got it out of the refrigerator. It's all cooled off. It's really cold. And now I need 1 container of whipped topping. Wow, this is going to be very, very rich. Sprinkle with toffee bits as desired. So I'll just put some on top here. These are just the toffee bits. This doesn't have any chocolate with it. Not that it needs it. Now I made this in my Wilton pan with this lid, which is a good thing. So it will not touch that. There it is. Better Than Anything cake. It's really heavy. Okay, I'll get a piece of this out. Look at that. Wow. It's ooey gooey. Here we go. Look at that. Mmm. That's really good. Look at all that caramel. Isn't that pretty? So if you need something for a church potluck, that would be it. Pretty good. Would I make that again? Yes, I would. Make that. Yum.